Hey everyone, welcome to our Tech Fix series. If you're staring at those frustrating horizontal lines on your Android phone screen in 2025, don't panic. We've got you covered with simple, step-by-step solutions that could get your device back to normal in no time. This issue is more common than you think and often stems from software glitches or minor hardware problems, but let's dive in and fix it together. First things first, start with the easiest fix: restart your phone. Hold down the power button, select Restart, and see if the lines disappear. This quick reset can clear temporary software bugs that might be causing the problem. If that doesn't work, head to your settings. Go to Settings, System Update, and check for any available software updates. Installing the latest Android update can resolve display issues, as manufacturers often patch these bugs in newer versions. Next, tweak your display settings. Navigate to Settings, Display, and look for options like screen resolution or refresh rate. Try adjusting these. Maybe switch to a lower refresh rate if your phone supports it, to see if it eliminates the lines. Now, let's rule out app conflicts. Boot your phone into safe mode by pressing and holding the power button, then tapping and holding the Power Off option until you're prompted. In safe mode, only essential apps run, so if the lines vanish, a third-party app is likely the culprit. Uninstall suspicious apps and restart normally. If you're still seeing lines, it might be a hardware issue, like a loose cable or damaged screen. In that case, it's time to visit a certified repair shop. Don't try to open your phone yourself to avoid voiding the warranty. To prevent this in the future, always use a high-quality screen protector and handle your device with care. Thanks for watching, and remember, these tips are based on 2025 Android models, so they should work for most devices. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more fixes, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next one.